Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. So in our previous videos, we showed you how you can do the um, trade price pricing condition analysis using the VBA. So we wrote a formula, and when we click this button, it writes the formula and removes it and brings all the data which were previously brought by using the formula, right? So all these information are in place for this. Now the same thing we are supposed to do in here, so that the last min price is also calculated using these information side by side and bring the last month price for a given current price. Okay, so to do this, we will go to our VBA editor, and in here we have this. We have already done this, right? So it will stop it and it will allow us to do the needful. Okay, so we will click the start button. So it will first of all refresh this. Okay, that is it will sort it out. It will do the sort so that the lookups are based on the sort price. Okay, so that the right price is picked by the system, right? The current price, right? So in here now, let's click this button so that it stops the breakpoint, and then we do this last month sale price work. Okay, okay. So it has performed all these things within a spur of moment, a second, and it has completed all this information. Now it is waiting for us to do the formula for, not for the C, it will be now D, right? So what we do here is we copy until here, Control C, and we will put it here. We come for the time being, we will do this, and instead of C, this is going to be D, right? And what we do is what formula we want. It's very simple. As we have tested, this formula is working fine for us. We will copy this formula. We will put Control C inside it, okay? And now we will get back to the code, VBA code, and here the equals, including the include sign, we put this thing inside this braces, and in the quotes we press Control V. So this is the formula. Now we have to make sure that as soon as we find any quote in it, we make them double. Otherwise, this will give the error. If we don't do this doubling, it will cause the error. Okay. So, and wherever we have one quote, we make double. Wherever we have two quotes, we make them double too. Right. Okay. That's it. I hope we have completed everything. Yes. And now this is the time that we execute it, and we see, keep an eye on this, right? Let's remove this so that you see that it is doing the job. Okay. Okay. And now we are taking this yellow, means the current line of the execution to here, and we see it if it works. Yes, it works, right? Okay, it has brought the formula now. Now we do the same thing, copy and paste like this, paste a special so that it removes the formula from behind. So this is for the file size. This will have a good impact on the file size. So we will say D is going to be copied, and where it is going to be pasted on the D with the paste special. And when we do this, so we are also supposed to do application dot cut in copy mode, yeah, equal to false, right? Understandable, because it is removing its further pasting capabilities, right? If we put a breaker point here, you see when it is copied, it has performed the copy operation and it has done everything. Now this message is telling you you can still do the paste in multiple places. So since we do not need any further use of this clipboard post pasting, so we will switch it off by pressing F8. So this is the effect of this command, that it clears the clipboard from the image which it has copied, right? So this is the completion. Now we can remove this stop point, and we run it, and even if we remove all these things here, Okay. For example, we have removed everything, and we also remove, for example, this as well. Okay. So this is your data, and this is all you have. Okay. So what you need is just to press that button which we have made, the start button. Let's click here. So it has brought all the results there. The last month prices are like this, and current month prices are like this. Okay, and that's how you have VBAized the process. Because if you can refer to my previous videos, we started uh, with the functions, right? We're pricing condition analysis using the functions, Excel functions. That was done, and then without many function was due to some older versions users, those who use the Excel version earlier than 2016, they will have the difficulty in using mini, if well, rather they won't be able to use it. So we showed you how to use an alternate version of the formula, which will bring the same result, right? And then we started this VBA work, in which we showed you how you can use VBA to effectively bring these information on the basis of the transaction date and the product which you mentioned, and it can bring all the current prices and the last month prices for you. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we will further discuss more user functionalities in our upcoming videos. So stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for your support. Thank you very much.